Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Intersection. This is Professor Mohammed B. Ali, and this tutorial is about arrays in PHP. As you can see, there are two types of arrays that you can create in PHP: an associative arrays and indexed or numeric arrays. An associative arrays, they have a key value pair. Indexed arrays, they are numeric. So the first one is 0, the second one is 1, 2, and 3. And you also can notice that in PHP we can mix data types. You have text, the director here, and the title of the movie, and the year was released is integer, and the cost. This is cost in millions, $25 million. This movie cost when they made it back in 1976. And in the associative arrays, you have a key and value. So here is the director and the name Mustafa Al-Akkad, title, the message, the release date 1976, production cost 25 millions, main actor was Anthony Quinn, and main actress was Irene Papas. And you can create array using C++ model. We don't do this. We don't create arrays this way anymore because we do use the array construct, in newer versions of PHP. Let's see how we do this in an actual coding environment. Here's my Middle Eastern salad: tomatoes, cucumbers, olive oils, parsley, feta cheese, scallions, and then I just put this number 6. I don't know what I mean by that, but just to show you a numeric value other than strings value. And to list this salad ingredient, we can use a for loop or for each loop. My favorite is for each loop. So let's do a for each loop to list all of this ingredients and view it on our server. I'm using Visual Studio Code. I find it to be a very neat environment, and it's an open source made by Microsoft. So here's my array, Middle Eastern vegetable salad, and I use the square brackets beginning and end, and then each statement ends with a semicolon. And here's my for each, so I'm parsing through for each the Middle Eastern vegetable salad as value, and I am echoing them in a list, in an ordered list. I created a little CSS here to make things look okay in video, but it's not a must do. So let's save it and let's render it. I'm using XAMPP. Let's do refresh. I got the tomatoes, cucumbers, olive oils, parsley, feta cheese, scallions, and then that number 6. Again, the number 6 is just to tell you you can have multiple different data types. You can't mix data types in Java or C++. So let's see the other example. And here's my second indexed example. I'm using the movie array, and I'm using the array construct instead of the old C and C++ style. So I'm using the array construct, and this is also an indexed array. So let's see how to echo that. So let's run it. And here's my second indexed array. Now let's look at an associative arrays. This is my associative array, and note the for each for the associative array we are using the key value pair, and it's different than from the for each that we used for the indexed array. Indexed arrays, they're not key value, they're only value. So let's run this. And here's my associative array: the director, the title, and you can see the director from the value, the key director, and then the value is the name, and the title, and then the value, key value. Release date is the key value, is 1976. Okay, So this is arrays in less than 5 minutes. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.